Want to publish books on Amazon without spending weeks writing? In today's video, we're taking a look at ScribeLabs AI, an all-in-one AI publishing tool that claims to help you find profitable niches, generate complete books, create audiobooks, and even streamline the Amazon KDP publishing process. Let's see if it really delivers and whether it's worth your money. Be sure to check the link in description if you want to learn more and grab the current launch deal. Today I'm going to take you through this AI tool, how it works for you. I'm going to discuss what you can do with this AI tool. I'm going to take you through some steps. So let's get started. Amazon paid over $520 million in royalties to independent publishers last year. None of it required a degree, a following, or a single word of writing experience. Breakthrough never seen before AI system discovers your most profitable Amazon niche, writes a complete book, converts it into a professional audiobook, and submits it to Amazon, all in under 10 minutes. The first truly end-to-end Amazon publishing system. No writing, no research, no manual submissions. The real reason most people never see an Amazon royalty check, it is not talent, it is not luck, it is three locked doors. Amazon KDP is generally open to everyone. There are no gatekeepers, no application, no review board. But between the idea of publishing on Amazon and actually earning from it, there are three doors. Every single one of them needs a key. Lock door number one, the niche problem. Most people sit down to publish on Amazon and immediately hit the same wall. What do I even write about? They spend hours on Amazon, hours on Google, hours watching videos about hot niches that are already saturated. They pick up topic that feels right and publish into the dark, hoping someone finds it. Most of the times, nobody does. Not because the book is bad, because it is the wrong niche. And there was no system to tell them that before they wasted 2 weeks on it. Lockdown number two, the content problem. Even when someone knows what niche they want to enter, they run straight into the second wall. I am not a writer, or more accurately, they are not a professional non-fiction book writer. Writing a 15,000 word book with proper structured chapters, flow, and market appropriate language is genuinely hard. Most people start, most people stop. The unfinished manuscript sits in a folder somewhere. The royalties never start because the book never gets finished. Locked number three, the submission problem. And even if there were a few who pick a good niche and finish their book, still get stopped at the final step. Amazon KDP's submission form is genuinely complex. 7 keyword fields, category selection that requires knowing Amazon's exact taxonomy, a 4,000 character description that needs to be formatted just right, pricing discussions that affect royalty rates. Most first time publishers fill it out wrong, get poor rankings, and conclude that KDP does not work. It works. The submission did not. It takes just three simple steps, no complex setup, no learning curve, no prior publishing experience. Step number one, log in and pick your niche. Open the Niche Explorer, browse 24 plus live tracked Amazon niches with real demand scores, BSR data, competition level, and 90-day trend direction. Filter by high opportunity, trending or low competition. Pick the niche the data says will win. No guessing, no research, rabbit holes. The numbers tell you exactly where to go. Step number two, let ScribeLabs AI build your complete asset. Click generate. The AI creates 5 full book concepts with demand scores. Pick one. Click write. The AI produces your complete manuscript chapter by chapter. Professionally structured, niche accurate, publish ready. Then click convert. Your manuscript becomes a professional audiobook with your choice of 22 AI voices. Zero writing, zero recording, zero cost per conversion. Step number 3. Submit to Amazon and start earning. Add your book to the publishing queue. Open Amazon KDP in your browser. The ScribeLabs AI Chrome extension reads your queue and autofills every single field on the KDP submission form. Title, subtitle, description, keywords, categories, price. Click submit. Amazon does the rest. You look your book and audiobook go live. Amazon starts paying royalties. That is the whole system. No writing, no design, no KDP experience, no copy and pasting, no guesswork. Research, write, audiobook, submit, on, start over in a new niche. No hacks, no workarounds, no gray areas. ScribeLabs AI is built on official infrastructure. Everything works the way it is supposed to. The AI engine. ScribeLabs AI is powered by enterprise-grade AI language models, delivering publication quality non-fiction prose. Advanced language models trained specifically on non-fiction publishing. Niche accurate output. The AI understands your topic's terminology. Professional structure. Every book reads like it was written by an author who knows the subject. No hallucinations or generic filler. Content built from research data, not guesswork. The audiobook engine, powered by Procuro 82M, the same generation of textbook to speech technology used in professional audiobook production. 22 distinct AI voices, male, female, various accents and styles. Natural pacing and inflection, not robotic. Listener quality output. Chapter aware formatting. Proper pauses, introductions, and transitions. $0 per conversion include your ScribeLabs AI access. Here is everything unlocked inside ScribeLabs AI. Niche Explorer, know where the money is before you commit to a single word. Keyword Research Engine, the exact words Amazon buyers are typing right now. AI Book Ideas Generator, 5 complete market validated book concepts in seconds. AI Manuscript Writer, a complete publish ready book written chapter by chapter inside your dashboard. Publishing queue plus Chrome extension. The last piece nobody else built. Autofill your entire KDP from form in one click. What you can do with ScribeLabs AI, this is not just a publishing tool, this is an income architecture. You can do passive Amazon royalties, publish in profitable niches, collect ebook royalties from KDP and audiobook royalties from Audible simultaneously. Every book you publish adds to a growing monthly royalty deposit. High ticket ghostwriting service. Charge 300 to $1,000 per book. Use ScribeLabs AI to produce professional quality books in under an hour. Deliver to your client. Keep 100% of the fee. Commercial license is included. Build a publishing portfolio. Publish 10, 20, 50 books across multiple niches. Each book adds to your monthly royalty total without requiring more work. The income compounds, you do not. Launch a KDP publishing agency. Manage Amazon publishing for multiple clients from one dashboard. Charge monthly retailers of 500 to 2000. ScribeLabs AI handles all production. You handle the relationship. Let's check what beta users are already saying. Sarah Jenkins. I published my first book in the parenting niche and added an audiobook version. Last month I cleared $420 in total royalties, all under 2 hours of setup. Marcus, we run a digital content agency and used ScribeLabs AI to scale up our ebook packages. Clients love the content structure and the Chrome extension saves us hours. Rebecca, the niche explorer live metrics completely change how I pick subjects. No more publishing blind. Scripts Lab AI is my primary publishing stack now. Daniel, I have never been a writer, but this system wrote a full 14,000 word copy. The audiobook generated perfectly. Incredible system for the current price. Tag now and claim these exclusive bonuses free. Buy Script Labs AI today and get all of this on top of everything else. These bonuses are not padding. Every single one was built to make your first 30 days faster, easier, and more profitable. Bonus number one, the KDP Niche Gold Mine Report with a value of $97. Bonus number two, the $500 per month royalty blueprint with a value of $147. Bonus number three, the Amazon book description swipe file with a value of $97. Bonus number four, the KDP Pricing Mastery Guide with a value of $147. First 100 buyers only. These two bonuses disappear once the first 100 spots are taken. Bonus number 5, Quick Start KDP Publishing Checklist with a value of $47. And bonus number 6, Audiobook Profit Playbook with a value of $97. So total bonus value is $485 plus. Yours free today only, just for grabbing Scripts Lab AI at the launch price. Total real world value is 3,258 plus dollars. But you can get this AI tool in just $15. One time, no monthly fees, no hidden cost. I'll mention the link in description. You can simply click on this option and you can get instant access. So here is my honest verdict about this AI tool. Based on the available information, ScribeLabs AI appears to be legitimate Amazon KDP workflow tool that combines niche research, AI book generation, audiobook creation, and publishing systems in one platform. If you think that this AI tool suits your requirement, you can simply access this AI tool. You can click on my link and you can avail Scripts Labs AI today itself. If this video was useful to you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for future review videos.